Hi curlies. I'm not going to show you my face because I'm cleaning and I look crazy. But this right here is my hair product stash. That's not in my bathroom. So this is what I have in my room right now. And I'm arranging it to all go on this little stand here. Down there, what you see is curlers, rollers, headbands, clips, stuff like that. I was supposed to use this. My hair is semi-straight right now. It's been straight for 3 weeks. I was supposed to use this when I straightened it. I'm yet to straighten my own hair, so that's why that's still in the package. But I figured I would share with you guys my products. This sunscreen lotion should not be in that. Thanks. First of all, if you don't know, I am a huge fan of Cream of Nature. That's what I grew up off. So when they had natural hair products, I definitely decided to use this. When I do deep condition my hair, I'm going to seal it with this oil treatment and see how that works. See if I need to purchase some. This Tresemme, I'm going to open this up. I got this from Just Fab from one of my purchases. I'm going to see about this. I'm going to try to use up all of my samples. I don't know if you can read that, it's kind of blurred, but this is the strengthening conditioner, Platinum Strength, and then this is the shampoo. It's supposed to repair the damage of repairs 2 years of damage within 5 uses of using the shampoo and conditioner. That's of course what's on the little in little writing, but they're this big, so you know I'm not getting 5 uses out of this. Anyway, this oil right here that you see is not any type of special concoction. It is actually this oil, this Hot 6 oil. It's supposed to be used for hot oil, hair oil, body oil, scalp oil, bath oil, and nail oil. Yeah, this is pretty much an all in all, and it has natural ingredients in it, and I've been using this for years. Even when I was relaxed, this was lovely. So yeah, let's see. This is the Moroccan Curl Imperfection Defining Cream. I usually use this with twist outs and actually any type of twisting. This product and the Nothing But Curly Pudding, I don't know if you guys can see this, but there is literally a little smidge right there in the corner, right there. I love this stuff. Love, 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 love this. Something else I would use is the Shea Moisture Curling Enhancing Smoothie, but it works well with the Curl Style Milk, which is in my bathroom right now. And for twist outs, let me see, because this is really a lot of stuff. Most of this is shampoos and conditioners. This is a leave-in conditioner, Cream of Nature. Once again, a shampoo, a Moroccan oil conditioner, shampoo. This is supposed to be used when you're doing a blowout, Thermal Creations. Like I said, I have yet to do it for myself, so I haven't used this product. But I heard it was really good. This is, my oil moisturizer. This is some more styling cream. This is actually pretty good. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give it about a 5. It's kind of, it depends on how my hair is acting. This foaming wrap, I plan on using. I know you see that it's been used, but I honestly probably tried something and it didn't work out too well. And when I was sitting under the dryer, so I'm going to try to do like, I don't know. I'm going to do something with this. Some type of wet set. I don't know, with my hair. What is this? Oh, once again, this is another heat protectant spray. I love Silk Elements because they make my hair feel like silk. They have the perfect name. Silk Elements is awesome. This is what I had in my hair. I've had this for like 3 years now, almost 3. My color is basically growing out of my hair, and this is what my beautician gave me. I don't know if you can purchase this in the stores. She just was nice enough to give it to me. It basically moisturizes and softens your hair and rebuilds your hair from the color damage. So yeah, I transitioned, and I definitely used that all the time when I was transitioning with that because the color was in my hair when I was relaxed. This shampoo is Frizz Buster. My friend used it for her weave actually, and she was just sorry y'all, my camera died. This right here is my second favorite go-to, I guess, for gel. I'm definitely an Eco Styler gel person, but I've used it. I don't like a lot of hard gel on my hair. Mango butter, love, love, love this stuff. This is just more pudding curl control mango butter stuff. I've had this for a while. I'll throw it in, mix it with some conditioners when I need to just deep condition my hair. This I don't really use. It's tingly, but I can do it out. And this is what I'm going to use and try when I deep condition my hair this time. I will definitely tell you how that works out. And this is just some pressing oil. And this, last but not least, is supposed to have a frizz control with it, with your hair is straight. It works pretty well, but I got it from my hairdresser. And of course, bottle of water. All right. Oh, and coconut oil in the back and some hair sheen. But I rarely use any of this. Maybe like 6 things out of all of this, and I put some more away. But all right. See y'all later. Curly kisses. Bye.